Hey guys, how you doing? Jack Scalfani here. Okay, because today is starting our holiday videos, I've asked my wife Tammy to join me in all the holiday videos. I think it should be more of a family event. These videos are kind of special to me. So, are you gonna come on over here?
I will when you start.
No, I don't want to see your hands in the video. Come over here. Hold on, I gotta move over. I get all excited. I love my wife. So anyway, give me a kiss. Okay, so you'll see her hands doing things, my hands doing things. We're going to be doing, we don't always like to do desserts all the time, even though we do have some Christmas desserts coming up. But we're going to be doing, this is an appetizer. So this is a lazy man's version. So it's kind of a lazy man's spinach dip appetizer. All right, are you ready? All right, come on in close. Look. Never happy.
There you go. Much better.
Is it better?
Much better.
All right. Now come on close and stop looking at my hat. All right, let me run down the ingredients real fast. We got spinach dip. Now, the long version is making your own spinach dip. Feel free to do so, but I'm buying it. That's the lazy man's version, okay? We got shredded Parmesan. I'm not shredding it. That's the lazy man's version. So we got pre-shredded Parmesan cheese. I got garlic butter. You, once again, can put butter with garlic if you want, but this is the lazy man's version, all right? I got the pizza dough, and I got a pizza cutter right here. And you're going to need one of these cutting sheets, all right? Let's get started. Okay, we're making a correction here. My wife came up with a great idea. You're supposed to have cheese inside the appetizer, and then you're going to brush it with, like, garlic butter, right? So she wants to put cheese inside. So we grab the sharp cheddar for inside the appetizer. And on top, after brushing it with butter, we're going to apply the Parmesan. I didn't know that. That's how she envisioned it. So we're going to go with that because it's probably going to be better than what I was planning because that's just the way my wife is. So first thing we're doing is opening up the pizza crust. We'll get that rolled out. Don't forget these things pop at some point. That's how it works. Okay, so the first thing you do is you cut a triangle. So cut in the center, cut down to this corner over here. Oh, yeah. Okay. And then do the same thing on the other side. That's going to be tough to I think we got it. We got two triangles. We got a big one in the middle. We're going to put the other two outsides as another triangle on the cookie sheet. So let's do that right now. So as you can see, we have the base of our Christmas tree. She has spread all the spinach dip across the top. Now we're going to apply cheese. Perfect. Okay, we got spinach dip, our cheese, which is sharp cheddar right now. And then Tammy, I thought we were doing last time, sorry. Let me move out of your way here. Tammy's going to apply the top layer. And you can stretch out the top layer, however, to make it fit, because it's dough. But if you don't want to, that's fine too. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make marks for the branches. Okay, and then we're going to take the bottom off. You're going to just do a short little branch. I'll show you like this. Don't go past the trunk. Okay. Do another one. We got a lot of filling. Hold on a minute. You're going to cut your branches all the way across. Up and down, both sides. Okay, now we're going to take every branch here. I don't know if you can see. We've cut all our branches. We got them kind of staggered. But down here we got bigger branches. We're going to rotate them. So we're going to twist. Go ahead and twist that side. That's it, yes. Then we twist each one of them. And we'll do that to every branch will be twisted. All right, guys, so we're going to bake this according to the pizza can, which says 400. So once this gets golden brown, you're going to have to, I don't have a time yet, but I'll put it on the screen once I know how long it takes. The recipe I'm using gave us no time. They said just bake this. So I'm going to bake this at 400. Okay? And then we'll bring it out and we'll do the next step. You ready? Okay, we just pulled this out. Got a little too dark on the very perimeter here. I left it in about 22 minutes, so I'm thinking 20 minutes. You can check it at 20. If you got to go another 2, go another 2. So let's take we got the butter here.
You got it.
Thank you, sweetheart. I'll tip it for, oh. Did I just grab the pan? That was hot. That wasn't funny. That wasn't even meant to be. Why did I grab the pan? I'm trying to I'll be all lovey-dovey and tip the pan for you and burn my hand.
Good job.
I know. All right, so we're going to brush this whole thing with butter. Well, it's hot. This is hot right now. So we're going to pop this in a little bit. It smells great. It smells like pizza. You can put it in broil. You can put it in the oven regular. You can do anything that gives it just a little bit of heat for about a minute. And then we're going to melt this Parmesan cheese on top.
That looks good.
Yeah, start sprinkling Parmesan cheese on top.
Kind of create a little snow.
Yeah, it looks like snow, huh? That's cool. Okay, so I'm going to steal a piece right now. Tammy's not here at the moment. I've been eyeing this one right here. So this one, it's kind of like pull-apart bread. You just kind of twist it out like that. That looks delicious. All right, before we try this, I recommend you get 2 pizza doughs. I'll have in the recipe down below, all right? This way you can make perfect triangles. You'll have plenty of dough to work with, right? Mm-hmm. All right, you ready? Mm-hmm. Kink. Here we go. Garlic butter.
Cheese.
Definitely a winner. You guys who are keto out there, you can play with the recipe, make your own dough, form your own triangles. But if you're lazy, you can do it this way. All right? I love you. I'll see you on the next episode. Merry Christmas.